Hey, this is Kenn Renner, real estate expert here in Santa Rita Ranch. And I wanted to invite you to my home buying crash course, which is going to be on Saturday, April 25th here at the Ranch House. And we're going to be covering a lot of different topics. And one of the things we're going to be covering is real estate investing, how to become wealthy in real estate. Right now is a buyer's market. And we're seeing the wise, savvy investors are buying now in a buyer's market, not in a seller's market. So we're pretty much hit bottom on the real estate market around here. And so we'll be talking about how to take advantage of that with the builder incentives, lowered interest rates, as well as some tax advantages. A lot of people, income tax advantages for owning real estate. And one of the things that people really don't realize is how absolutely an amazing tax write-off you can get by owning real estate, whether it be your primary residence. Of course, you've got your interest in your property taxes. But when you buy an investment property, that you actually have depreciation write-off, which is a paper write-off, but you also have everything that's involved with the property is a write-off. So, and there are ways to potentially offset your ordinary income. We're going to be talking about that. It's legal with the IRS. You just have to do it the right way. Offsetting your ordinary income by investing in rental property. So that's one of the many subjects that we're going to be covering at our home buying crash course, April 25th at the Ranch House at 11 a.m. And I'll hope to see you there.